Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Breaking news. Abuja court dismisses Obaseki's motion on forged certificate case. Hello, my wonderful people. How are you doing today? Is Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. The case is still on. Today was the day the case was to be heard in the court, and we want to bring you up to speed on all that is going. By the way, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you so much. God bless you. We really appreciate you. Breaking news. Abuja court dismisses Obaseki's motion on forged certificate. A federal high court in Abuja today, Wednesday, has dismissed the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki's motion challenging his alleged forged certificate suit. The Street Journal has learned. Recall that last month, the same court had adjourned the hearing of the alleged certificate forgery case filed by the All Progressive Congress (APC) against him from November 16th to November 18th, which was subsequently adjourned again. The adjournment followed the submission by counsel to Obaseki, Mr. Ken Mozik, and all pending motions relating to pleading must first resolved before going into the subsidiary matter. Mozik specifically asked the court to allow him move his motion challenging the competence of the reply filed by the APC to the defense of the matter. However, lawyer of the APC, Mr. Aki Olujumi, objected to the motion of the Governor's Council on the pending motion. He prayed the court to step down on the pending application and allow him proceed with the substitute matters by calling his witness who were in court with him. In a short ruling before adjourning the suit, Justice Mohammed held that the motion of Governor Godwin Obaseki challenging the competence of the APC reply to his defense was fundamental because he related to the pending and has to be resolved first. The complainant APC prayed the court for an order disqualifying Obaseki from contesting the September 19 governorship election in Edo State on the ground that he submitted fake information under oath to INEC as an act said to be contrary to Section 31, subsection 5 and 6 of the Electoral Act 2010. They specifically accused the governor of forging his university certificate presented to INEC in aid of his qualification for the governorship election in Edo State. They also claimed that they had INEC in aid of his qualification for the governorship election in Edo State. They also claimed that there are discompetence in the subject Obaseki claimed he passed in his West African Examination Council (WAEC), even a WAEC exam, and that his testimonial did not reflect the subject he said he passed. Obaseki contested the September 19 governorship election on the platform of the People's Democratic Party, where he moved to after the ruling party APC disqualification on him for seeking a second term as a governor of the state. The governor scored 307,955 of the total vote to the runner-up of 84,336. Pastor Sage Ize Iyamu was, however, in court with other APC members as well as their lawyers standing to disqualify Governor Godwin Obaseki. So Ize Iyamu is still on the case, saying, Obaseki said Ize Iyamu has not reached out to him. Ize Iyamu, has not reached out to him, and during his inaugural, he said he has called him, trying to get him to say, you can come on board if you want to because you have served in government before. Like it or not, he's got wealth of experience. Experience is not bought in any newspaper or in any place. You get experience by doing the job. So Ize Iyamu has served in various capacity in Edo State before now. And prior to contesting to become governor of Edo State, he has served before during other administration and has some wealth of experience and have something to bring to the table if given the opportunity. However, Obaseki said he awaits him to give him a call and to say he's ready to work alongside with him for them to give Edo State, a befitting, service. However, his brother Ize Iyamu, as he fondly referred to him as, has not reached out to him. So, my people, we are bringing you up to speed with all that happened today. The court case was there. Ize Iyamu, however, was in court. Ize Iyamu has not decided to get to Governor Godwin Obaseki because he can't be bothered. The matter is, he wants Governor Godwin Obaseki out. If at the end of the day, they say Governor Godwin Obaseki is disqualified, automatically the runner-up, which is Ize Iyamu, becomes the governor of Edo State. What that means is that the certificate of the certificate granted him by INEC will be withdrawn and will be issued to the runner-up. This has happened in time past before. Oshomole became a governor of Edo State as a result of this same issue. He contested then under AC, right? If I'm right, yes. And of course, he did not win the election according to INEC. However, he brought out his facts. They went to court, and the court declared that Oshomole won the election. In Nigeria, you can be declared a winner. However, it depends on the courts at the end of the day. If your opponent can produce facts beyond all reasonable doubt that they won the election, I'm sorry to say you are busted out of office. And so at the Abuja High Court today, Obaseki was not there. However, his lawyer was there to represent him. I guess he's attending to matter of state. Ize Iyamu was there alongside the APC lawyer to stand against Obaseki with regards to the certificate. It's not just the university that they are contesting. They are also contesting that Obaseki's WAEC did not correlate with what his testimonial has said. This also happened in Bayelsa State, where they said one person has won according to INEC, yes, and they continued. Guess what? By the time they went to court, PDP candidate said no, he did not win. They went to court. He said, well, he won, but they have a fraud certificate and all that. That was the deputy. They won the election, and at the end of the day, APC left. We all know of what happened in Bayelsa State. So this is what is going on. We'll still keep you up to date. The case has further been adjourned, and we keep you up to speed as the matter unfolds. Leave us a comment. God bless you. Bye for now.